Hello there. Crocheted Soap Savers serves two purposes. One is to soak in excess soap residue, and to help in sloughing off dead skin cells. This tutorial will show you how to crochet your very own soap saver. You will need the following materials: 5 mm crochet hook, medium weight eco cotton yarn and ecru, darning needle, scissors. Begin by creating a slip knot and hooking in 13 chains. Round 1, single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in the next 9 chains. Three single crochets in the next stitch. Rotate to the underside of the chain you are working on. Single crochet in the next 9 stitches. Two single crochet in the next stitch. Slip stitch in the beginning chain to join. Round 2, chain 1, single crochet in every stitch in the round. Slip stitch in the beginning chain to join. Repeat this pattern one more time. Round 3, chain 1, extended single crochet in the next stitch. To create the extended single crochet, insert your hook into the designated stitch and draw up a loop, yarn over and draw through the first loop, yarn over and draw through both loops, attached single crochet onto the extended single crochet. To create the attached single crochet, insert your hook onto the first loop of the extended single crochet. Perform a single crochet in this loop. Chain 1, skip next chain, extended single crochet and attached single crochet onto the next stitch. Repeat this pattern until the end of the round. Slip stitch in the beginning chain to join. Round 4, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, extended single crochet and attached single crochet onto the next stitch. Repeat until the end of the round. Slip stitch in the beginning chain to join. Repeat this pattern until you reach round 9. Finishing the edges and creating the soap saver strap. At the end of round 9, chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch, 2 SC in the chain 1 space. Repeat this until you reach the end of the round. Slip stitch in the beginning chain to join. Chain 1. Crab stitch in every stitch in the round. Chain 20. Slip stitch in the beginning chain to join. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. You have just completed your soap saver. Thank you for your support. Until the next tutorial, happy crocheting!